CarPlay in an old car. Look at this. I got my phone right here. Let me turn on my car, and you can see it automatically connects very fast right here. I'm just starting it right now. And excuse the wire, I'm super excited. I just got everything hooked up. This is my phone. I can put the phone in my pocket, and this is booting up right now. It's very quick to connect. It will default to Apple CarPlay because that's how I set it up right now. It's got the FM transmission. I don't need to connect any wires. It uses FM transmission. Now you can connect via 3.5mm audio cable. You can connect via Bluetooth. You can even connect via a direct iPod line. You can do so many different connections, but FM transmission is the one I have right now, and it's connecting right now. And you can see it's already got the Apple AirPlay. If I go to my apps and boom, right there, CarPlay, not AirPlay. It does AirPlay too. It does CarPlay too. I can go right here if I want to play my YouTube music. I can play whatever soundtrack I want, and it's going to go through my FM radio right now. So if I hit play right here, it will start playing, and if you listen right now, you can hear it. It's using the FM right now. It's really awesome. It's clear, it's loud, it sounds good, and my phone can stay in my pocket. I can use speakers. I can play through the speakers right here. You hear that? Or I can use FM, which is what I was using earlier right here, going through my car system. I can use auxiliary cable. I can use CarPlay Auto using Bluetooth. There's so many different options to switch to. It's super easy, and I love this thing. This is how you get CarPlay in an old car right here. Let's go, Apple CarPlay right there. Oh yeah.